Hello, and welcome to another Scalable software tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Color and Intensity Toolkit using our software. The Color and Intensity panel allows for automatic correction of color and intensity variations across the screen. Before starting color, geometry calibration must be acceptable and without artifacts. For multi-camera systems, all cameras must have identical aperture, exposure, and gain. To start, make sure you have the software open on your computer. Then, click on the Scalable button in the top left of the screen. Then, hover over Configuration and click on the Backup/Restore button. After that, create a restore point. After you create a restore point, click on the Color and Intensity panel, located under the Tuning category. At the top left corner, select a projector to be the master. Note that this option does not consider projector brightness, only color. Select a projector with the most acceptable color. Under Color Matching Options, use the Matching Preference slider to set the balance between optimizing for uniformity and brightness. For example, pushing the slider all the way to uniformity will result in a uniform screen using the lowest brightness found across all projectors. You can push the slider more towards brightness for a brighter but potentially less uniform result. Grid density determines the number of points each projector will be broken up into for calibration. A higher grid density breaks up the projector into smaller parts to calibrate and can be more accurate. 5x5 is the default. Intensity sets the number of intensity/brightness levels and the calibration it will be performed at. The options are 1, 2, and 4. One layer calibrates at 75%, 2 layers calibrate at 100% and 50%, 4 layers calibrate at 100%, 75%, 50%, and 25%. Adding layers will allow the correction to be specialized depending on the intensity for the input image. For example, the 100% layer allows the correction to be specialized for the brightness images, while the 50% layer applies to images with mid-range intensities. Up to 4 layers can be created: 100%, 75%, 50%, and 25%. Selecting a layer will automatically display an image with matching intensity. 1 layer is standard for most use cases. Click Begin Calibration to start the automatic color calibration process. When complete, the software will display a before and after image. If the result is satisfactory, click Update Calibration and create a new restore point. If not, adjust the settings and color matching options and try again. If you have any issues, please contact the support team. That's all we have for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.